Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Netlify. So the first step is to sign in Netlify at app.netlify.com and then select your site. Go to the site settings and tap on domain management and just click on add custom domain. So once you click on it, you just have to tap your GoDaddy domain name. So that will be the yourdomain.com. So that's just an example. And then Netlify will verify ownership and show you the DNS records to configure. Next is to go to the GoDaddy.com. Just sign in and navigate to the My Products, tap on Domains, and click DNS next to your domain to access the DNS management. So next is to add a record with @ pointing to this one. You can just screenshot this one and copy it. So this is the Netlify's IP. And also add the CNAME record with www pointing to your site.netlify.app, and then just remove conflicting records. Now lastly is to wait for the DNS propagation, so that will take usually 1 to 24 hours. And then once you're done, just return to the Netlify to verify domain status shows active, and then just enable the HTTPS for secure connections. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!